is standing by the people, not only on the borders but even taking care of the people on the borders, helping them in every way and through Sadbhavana, starting small schools, technical training, preparing them for army, and over the last few years we have found the locals joining the Indian Army in Kashmir. Very large number, which is again shows how the people like the Indian Army, and truly it is one of the best armies in the world. On the Army Day, we remember the services of all those, and many veterans are also invited, and we remember their deeds.